Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Ideas No One. How's this going? Okay, so as we know, dogs have long been regarded as human companions. In our modern society, with flashy, busy streets, people are busy and hasty, and sometimes people have forgotten how to love properly. So, nonetheless, I think you will gain a lot of lessons about love and compassion from your dog as long as you keep one with you. Therefore, because of that love, our artisans cleaned up a corner of the garden and built a wonderful new home for 4 dogs. So now, let's watch the full video and see how our artisans created this work. Firstly, an empty corner in the garden was cleaned up. Then, the craftsmen used many large bamboo trees to hammer into the ground to create a frame for the work. So, at first glance, it looks like a giant mushroom. On the next step, the craftsmen used mud and straw to form a flexible mixture that covers the entire pyramid bamboo frame. So the work happened very quickly. At this stage, after plastering the mud, the worker used red bricks to arrange it at the foot of the giant mushroom and put the water pipe into the trench that had been dug in advance. So right after that, the craftsmen continued to skillfully use bamboo to create 6 more mushrooms around the giant mushroom. Next, the craftsman took the clay that has been thoroughly kneaded with water to cover all 7 mushrooms and decorate the work. So in just a short period of time, the new dog house has been given a stunning new look. not only that, the worker also continued to dig the soil to create a mini fish tank shaped like a bone. A bamboo bridge is crossed over the aquarium to link the main area and the front playground for the dogs. As you can see, a bamboo fence was also erected around the mini aquarium area, and a circulating water pump was installed shortly after. So in the last stage, the worker used bricks, white pebbles, ornamental plants to decorate the work more vividly. Ta-da! So, in just one working day, the puppies have had an extremely ideal new home with a playground and fish tank. Looking at how they welcome their new home, we can see how happy and excited they are. Now, let's take a look at the entire work once again to see ingenuity, meticulousness, and talented hands of the artisans who created the work. So let us know what you think about this piece. If you like us, please subscribe to support and follow our next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!